so many buildings that you can't see the top of them because they're in the clouds. Not one, many of them. Very many of them. And they're skinny little buildings, but you can't see the top. So if you reside at the top there, you're always in the clouds. Baby. Come, let's go to Central Park before I leave the city. Gun shop, shooting range, and ammo. This is one of the things I had on my list. Let me go have a look. What they say. It's closed. Indie trading post. Indie trading. Indie. We're permanently closed. We're permanently closed and out of business. If you have a transfer or lay away, please contact us on that to schedule your time to handle these transactions. Okay, someone told me it's a citizens only kind of thing, so I just wanted to hear it from them. Unless you have a green card or a permanent resident, I don't think you are allowed to shoot these guns. But yep, I reached the place. I did.